It's a drop top coupe. Said you wanna drive it down real soon. I just wanna love you like I do. Guess I never had someone like you. And nobody got this love. Got me cuffed. And nobody gave. All I need is love. I just wanna run away with you. Want you, baby, I want you. Can I love you like I do? Like someone like you, yeah. Like you.
側邊嗰度將佢掃走，將嗰啲皮掃走。
即係總之係結咗焦嗰啲咁樣去掃走佢。
其實咧，你見我拿落去嘅時候咧，佢未結焦嘅，係佢接觸個皮膚嘅時候咧，佢就會慢慢將個皮咧就掃走，見到呢粒斑冇咗。咁佢側邊有啲窿咧，就唔係佢本身嗰啲色素嚟，只係呢支筆咧掂落去嘅時候咧，佢就會有啲殘留。你抹多幾下咧，咁佢就會冇咗啦。O K 啊？俾我姐姐睇。
O K，
都 OK 嘅。
照一照。首先我哋做呢個位，呢個位置，咁呢個斑。咁咧，其實呢度所有你呢啲曬斑啊，或者荷爾蒙斑啊嗰啲都可以做嘅。
即係其實如果去美容院揾醫生打結焦，咁佢就好快冇晒嘅喎。
佢唔使再打㗎啦，佢已經結咗。因為我頭先美容課上賣嘅已經唔同啦，因為佢即時已經起化咗，係啦，即時起化咗佢。咁所以咧，以前你用辣嘅做完咧，你都係會好辣嘅，係啦，因為你嗰個係傷口嚟嘅，但係佢呢個係即時已經結咗。咁你可以再做多粒俾你，我俾你望下先，呢個塊鏡，幫你做呢個。呢一個深色少少呢個，你做咯喎。咁做嘅時候咧，又係啦，圍住側邊，輕輕得噶啦，喺個側邊嗰度。跟住咧，就用支筆慢慢推走佢。呢個皮，你見到有個皮，推走。咁你就，如果你唔清楚你自己推成點咧，你抹埋佢睇下佢仲喺咪度。我抽張牌俾你睇，係啦，咁咪嗱，呢個就係你頭先個皮，可以望下頭先呢一笪呢個，